Alright, let's look at the homework 7.1, problem number 3. Alright, so let's find the integral here. Alright, so since there's only one thing, I'm going to put squeeze 1 in there. So I'm going to do multiply by 1 trick. Alright, then take the derivative of sine. We get the arc sine, 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared, right? And squared. And if you take the antiderivative of 1, you get x, right? So this is going to be equal to, right, multiply this way. So we have x times arc sine of x minus integral. So then we multiply this way. So you have x over square root of 1 minus x squared, right? Then dx. Right, to do this one, we can probably do a substitution. We're going to let u be 1 minus x squared. So that's the expression inside the square root, right? Then we take the derivative, du over dx. That's going to give us negative 2x. And then we take the reciprocal of both sides. Then we have a dx over du, which is 1 over negative 2x. Then we can just multiply through by du to get the dx is equal to du over negative 2x. Right? So what we get is, so x arc sine of x is already finished. Right? Then you have a minus sign here. Right? Then we have, I'm going to leave x as it is for now. Then we have a square root of, we decided to call that guy u, so this is u there. All right, dx we just found out to be du over negative 2x, right? So we can cancel x and x there, right? Then we can use this negative sign to turn into a positive there, right? So what you get is here, we have x arc sine of x plus, right, I'm going to clean this up a bit. So you have a 1/2, so just a number, and integral. Right, I don't like square roots, so you have a u, and u is sitting on the denominator, so it's a negative power. Then there's a square root, so it's a 1/2. And then you have a du. Right? Then we can just, let's see, first term is already done. X arc sine of x plus 1/2 times, right? Add 1 to the power, so it's going to be 1/2. Divided by 1/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2. And then plus some constant c, right? So we can cancel 2 on top and 2 on the bottom, right? So we get x arc sine of x plus, right, now 1/2 power is square root, so let's go back to square root, and a u is 1 minus x squared. Then you have a plus some constant c, right? So this is the integral that we're looking for. All right, so let's type it in. Alright, so we have x arc sine, let's see, yeah, arc sine of x plus square root of 1 minus x squared, right? Then you have a plus some constant c. Alright, so let's submit for testing. All right, it came back. Looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.